Hey everyone, today I have tempered glass screen protectors for my iPhone 11. This is also compatible with the iPhone XR because they have the same screen size. But anyways, it's just a simple 2-pack that I got off Amazon for a really good value. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and give you the unboxing experience so you know exactly what you're getting into when you get it right out of the packaging. And you can see that you have quite a few application accessories here. You got microfiber cleaning cloth, alignment stickers, alcohol swabs, you name it. There's also a helpful installation guide with some pictures that can help you out with your installation. With tempered glass screen protectors, the installation process is a little bit trickier. You don't want to get air bubbles or anything else in between when you install it, otherwise it could totally ruin your installation. Alright, so let me go ahead and walk you through the application process for those of you who are interested. Right now I have a almost naked iPhone 11 here. Screen is completely exposed. Want to go ahead and turn off the screen first and foremost. That way I don't have to keep on having ghost tabs, so turning on the screen can get kind of irritating. So next I want to kind of lay out how the screen protector is going to fit onto my screen. They have these application stickers that kind of serve as almost like a hinge between the screen protector and your phone. So then I go ahead and take the screen protector, make note that there is one film side that you would have to remove. That's the part that's going to adhere to your screen. So you want to make sure that side is facing towards your screen as you would. You don't want to put it on the wrong side. And then afterwards you go ahead, take those application stickers and align it so that it would serve as a hinge once you are ready to install the screen protector. And now you have to get your screen squeaky clean so that there is nothing between your screen and the screen protector to create any kind of air bubble. So that's probably the most difficult part of applying a tempered screen protector. And so what I like to do is I take my microfiber cleaning cloth here. They have one included out of the box, but I still like to use my personal one just because I know it's better quality anyways. Then I swab down the screen with the alcohol cleaning wipes. And lastly, that extra sticker there that I can use to pick up any residual dust that didn't get wiped away or just accumulated back onto the screen as a final good measure. So whenever you feel the screen is squeaky clean enough, you go ahead and remove that film protecting the inner lining of the screen protector so that you can finally apply it. Bite that bullet, you tried your best, and let's see how it turns out. When you first apply it, don't be afraid that there are a bunch of big air bubbles like so. You can easily squeeze them out using your 2 thumbs, starting from the center and pushing towards the edges. And lastly, of course, don't forget to remove those application stickers. So after some firm pressing, this is what it looks like with as much air bubbles as I could push out just a few moments later. There are still a couple small air bubbles because unfortunately a couple small dust particles did get between the screen and the protector, but it's not a big deal, especially once the screen is on. It's absolutely not noticeable when the screen is on and you're just using your phone as normal. And 2 months later, it's even less noticeable to see any of the imperfections underneath the screen protector. I would say it's definitely quite durable. It has that 9H hardness rating, so it is very scratch resistant. So you can see 2 months later, I don't have a single scratch on this thing. And there is plenty of room around the screen protector that you can apply a case with a lip, as you can see here, with no issues. And I know you're probably eyeing that small crack on the upper corner there, and that is my bad. I did drop the phone, but the good thing is the only thing that was damaged is the screen protector, because the harder something is, the easier it is to crack. It's harder to scratch, but it is easier to crack. So my screen protector did absorb that impact, which means it did its job and it protected my actual screen from any damage. So it's just a superficial cosmetic damage that had occurred on the screen protector. So for the money, I would say I'm pretty satisfied with the quality of this glass screen protector. I thought the application process was pretty straightforward. If I had done a little bit better job cleaning my screen, it could have been completely flawless. The cutout is appropriate, it's not too big, not too small. And if you are debating whether to get a plastic or glass screen protector, I would say what's going for glass is that it has that same smooth finger gliding across the screen feeling that you would with if your phone screen was completely unprotected. And it also doesn't distort the image on your screen as much as it would, of course, on a plastic one. And just overall, it's just that premium feeling that I like much better than having a plastic screen protector, which will eventually scratch and dent much easier. So check them out if you're in the market for a tempered glass screen protector.